Hey, Philip Long here, and I'm with Derek Thomas. He is the owner of Thomas Roofing, and he has been a long-term client of ours, and he is going to be our Proactive Partner of the Month. So, Derek, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
And
welcome.
I want to ask you just a couple questions, like how did we connect?
You know, you asked me that a few minutes ago. I do not remember. It's been so many years that I've been with BIS. I don't remember exactly how me and you were introduced, but it's been a great partnership for these years.
How many years has it been?
It's been at least 10, but I'm not sure.
9 years, 4 months.
Okay, well, I was wrong, but
yeah, that's about right, though.
It's been a number of years.
So before you met with us, don't remember how. I honestly don't remember either. It's been a long time, and we've pretty much got to be friends, I guess, at this point.
Yeah, over those years, yes.
And how were you doing technology before?
We had sort of a one-man show, an IT guy that was retired from a major corporation that was just kind of helping us out with things here and there that I couldn't handle, or somebody else around here couldn't handle, primarily me. And we'd outgrown his ability to service our account. So I was looking for a professional organization to really come in and start taking over for us.
Good.
And helping us with these things.
Since we've taken over the sport, and really quite frankly, over the past 10 years, our capabilities have expanded a lot, honestly. But what is the one single thing that is, would you say has been like the most benefit?
Well, like you said, your services have morphed over the years and given us more and more support, more and more things. I think the biggest thing over the last several years has been the ability for me not to have to get involved in day-to-day IT things. My staff knows to call your people. They can handle the situation. I never get involved and never hear about it, or if I hear about it, I'm just hearing a remote conversation somewhere in the background. So that's been the greatest thing, is just the relief of my time and other people's time around here trying to figure out IT things we're not professionals at. We're contractors.
That's right, yeah. So what about increased employee productivity? You kind of touched on it there. It's hard to quantify that.
In our business, it's really hard. I mean, these days, everybody has to be connected. Whether we're up on the internet with email and those kind of things, or just ability to all our estimating, all of our, word processing, all those things, all of our accounting is right there. They have to be up and running, or they're dead in the water. So, anytime we're down, we've lost productivity.
Yep.
How do you measure that? It's very difficult. Other than, we're up most of the time. So that's the great part.
That's the good part, yeah.
That's right.
So final question, like for you, tell me how it's helped you personally, because I know that you're really, as I see, you're the driving force behind this company. So your time is extremely valuable, and even your mood as it relates to leading your people. How's it helped you?
I think the easiest thing is that when we worry about whether it's a storm coming in or a cyber attack, that those things, that I know that if something happens, we've got backups, business put in all these systems that y'all have that really help us to know that if something happens, we can get right back up and running with almost all of our data, probably all of our data most all the time, and we're not down long, and we're good to go.
Cool. Well, thank you so much. We want to give you this award as our Proactive Partner of the Month, and we just want to appreciate you for all your years of helping us get to where we are.
Well, thank you very much.
Partnership.
Thank you. It's
been
a great partnership.
Thank y'all.